Do your bathroom and kitchen tiles need a little TLC? Spring cleaning season is well and truly here. Last time we covered some quick and easy cleaning tips for your bathroom. So today I'm going to discuss some cleaning advice specifically for your tiles. Please note we'll be focusing on ceramic and porcelain tiles in today's video. For other tile materials, please do further research yourself. Cleaning bathroom tiles and grout thoroughly can breathe new life into your bathroom space. Matte tiles are super on trend, but there is sometimes hesitation to opt for them due to keeping them clean. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you tackle matte tiles. Step 1. Be sure to hoover or dust away any surface dirt before washing. Step 2. Fill a basin with warm, soapy water. We recommend sticking with this gentle mixture to avoid damaging the matte finish of the tiles. Step 3. Take a non-abrasive cloth or sponge. I prefer to use a microfiber cloth and gently use this across the tile surface. Don't be scared to apply a little more pressure to remove tougher stains. Step 4. Once you're happy with how clean the tiles are, take another dry microfiber cloth to wipe away any remaining residue. Drying the tiles lets you see if you've removed all the dirt or stains, or if you need to go over the area again. We recommend adding this to your cleaning routine quite frequently to avoid major stains building up, keeping your beautiful matte tiles looking their absolute best. Kitchen wall tiles are so prone to splashes, stains and grease from cooking. While we suggest giving them a quick wipe each time after cooking, sometimes they need a little more time and care. Due to the grease that can stick to a tile kitchen backsplash, something a little bit tougher might be needed, but something that also won't damage your tiles. Step 1. First, take a damp cloth and give the tile surface a wipe down to remove any sticky marks or general surface dirt. To avoid damaging the tile surface, we recommend sticking with something gentle like a microfiber cloth here too. Step 2. Mix 1 cup of white vinegar in a basin of warm water. You may also prefer to do this in a spray bottle, depending how you like to clean. Wipe this onto the tiles. For particularly stubborn stains, you can leave this on the tile surface for a minute or so just to help it attack the dirt, but please don't leave it on too long to avoid damaging the tiles. Step 3. Finally, rinse the tiles with clean water to remove any white vinegar residue. For more quick and easy cleaning tips, head over to our Bathshack TikTok page, always linked in the description. If you have any questions, leave them below and be sure to like and subscribe to Bathshack here on YouTube.